This is a beautiful 1936 Packard 120B convertible with a rumble seat. Beautiful white paint, two spares. As you see, they're housed in indents in the front fenders. Beautiful styled wheels. And this gives you an idea of the craftsmanship in this car. This beautiful rumble seat with side bolsters. Notice the pinstriping, and again, beautiful upholstery inside with a banjo type steering wheel, very deluxe, and fully instrumented dash, and a radio in the center, which had to be a fairly rare accessory. Notice where the side view mirror is located, there on the spare. And of course this front end is legendary Packard, with that huge vertical grille. And what makes this car really interesting is its background. Nothing is known of its original background, but it was discovered in a barn in Texas in 2016. And over a period of 4 years, this is the result. You can imagine how much work was involved. Running boards were very much in and part of the styling. There's the clock in the center of the glove box door, and the pads there on the fender to help you get into the rumble seat, and the luggage carrier back here, besides the probably a pretty ample trunk. That baggage carrier, you just rotate it horizontally and you carry an extra piece of baggage or a trunk, what have you. Very nice car, beautiful.